Hi, welcome to my channel Sheikh Bashir. In this video, we are going to discuss about Venn diagrams. The Venn diagram is to be defined as a widely used diagrammatic style that shows logical relationship between sets, and it is popularized by John Venn in the year of 1880s. The diagrams are mainly used to teach elementary sets theory and to illustrate simple set relationships in probability, logic, statistics, linguistics, and computer science. In my previous video that I have already discussed that the set theory is the fundamental step in order to have the brief discussion about probability. Now we move towards the operations of the set. Here we are going to discuss the operations of the set by using Venn diagrams. The first one is union. Here that two sets named as A and B in the corresponding universal set S. The union is going to represent all the elements of both A as well as the B are going to be formed as together as a union and represented by A union B. Next, we are having the another operation is the intersection. Intersection is going to be used to collect the common elements between the two sets. Let's consider we are having the two sets A and the B in the universal set S. Here we are going to be observe the intersection is nothing but the common element that are shared in between the set A as well as the B, denoted as A intersection B. Now we move towards the another operation is the complement. Complement is nothing but the other than the elements. Let consider we are having the set A and A complement represents the all the elements those are going to be other than the A. So the whatever the yellow region is going to represent the A complement of the set A. Next one, we go for the another operation as A minus B. Here we are going to be represent all the elements of A. Those are taken out the elements of the B. It means we remove all the elements of B from A. And here you can observe that we are having the two sets A as well as the B. We are taken out all the elements of B from A, and that's why we are going to be having the corresponding representation as A minus B. The another operation of the set is A minus B. We need to prove A minus B is equal to A intersection B bar. So to prove this one, we are going to be taking the corresponding B complement. So this is the Venn diagram for B complement, and we are taking another Venn diagram that only represents the element of A, set A, and performing the intersection between these two, we are going to be obtain A minus B, nothing but all the elements, those are all the elements of A other than the B. It means we are removing the element B from A, we are going to be having A minus B, nothing but A intersection B bar. This is the most important theorem or most important Venn diagram representation for our upcoming probability theorems. Now we go for another operation. So we are going to prove the A can be represented as A intersection B bar union of A intersection B. So here we are going to be having A intersection B bar This is the Venn diagram representation of A intersection B bar are nothing but A minus B. This is going to be having all the elements of A. It is going to be having all the elements of A, and here we are removing the B component from the A, nothing but the A intersection B bar, and we are performing the union of A intersection B bar with A intersection B. Then we are going to be remain with only A. So this is also one of the most important property or most important operation of set using Venn diagrams that we are going to be using in the probability theorem discussions. The another operation on the set using the Venn diagram is prove A union B is equal to A intersection B bar union A intersection B union A intersection B. Let's consider this is the A union B. We are having two sets named as A and B. Then this is the A union B, and this A union B is going to be represented as A intersection B bar, nothing but the only components of A, and taken out the B components over here, nothing but A intersection B bar, and we are performing the union with A bar intersection B. Here this one is only having the B elements and taken out the A component, so this is the A bar intersection B, and perform the union with A intersection B. So altogether we are going to be formed as A union B. This is also one of the most important property that we are going to be using in the upcoming probability theorems. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel on probability theory and stochastic process. Thank you.